Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and this is a Shein huge Shein haul. I'm just going to be trying out these items, and you guys are gonna be telling me if you guys like it or not. But this is my first time shopping from Shein, and we're gonna be unboxing on camera. And I'm also doing like a pajamas haul and a regular clothing haul. So let's see. First item is going to be this. I don't know what this is, but oh, okay. This is just a regular blouse. So I'm gonna be trying this out, and this is in a size large. Let's try it out and see. So here is the blouse. So far the quality isn't that bad. I think the quality is pretty good, and it has this thing, this butterfly thing in the back. Yeah, this is about it. This is a large. Well, it fits perfectly well on the arms, and yeah, down here I don't know, I think it's a little bit big down here. I should have gotten like a medium, but I think I'm satisfied with it for the price. Yeah, with a good jeans, this would be perfect. And the second item is, oh, this is a romper. Okay, the fabric is kind of like cheap, but mean you pay for what you get. You get what you pay for. And this romper is an extra large. For some reason I thought I am an extra large, but apparently I've been losing a lot of weight, so these things are actually a little bit. Let's go try it on and see. So far this looks really nice. I thought it was gonna be big, but everything is secure. My boobs are not flying to the wind. This is really cute. I'm gonna be rocking this. This is cute to a barbecue party. Anyway, ignore my nails over here, but this is really nice, and the fabric is nice. It has this flowery, nice summer wear. I like this. I like this. Yeah, Shein. This is my first time shopping from Shein, and I think I like the things. Next outfit is, let's see, what is this? Oh, is this, oh, this black dress. Ooh, and this is in a size L. Let's go ahead and try this on. So guys, this is the, ooh, this is really cute. I'm gonna definitely rock this. Yep. Yeah, this is really cute. Fabric is 8 out of 10. I really like this. This is cute. This is cute, man. The next outfit is this two-piece. This two-piece. Wow. This feels like it's going to, like, if you light it up, it's just gonna burn instantly. But yeah, it's cute though. Here it is, and here is the blouse or the top, and this is in a size extra large. Let's go try it on. So here's the next outfit. This is really short. I don't think I'll be able to wear it outside, but it's really short. So I think I'm going to be giving this away to any of my friends, or like, yeah, but this is really cute. Like, this is an extra large. The blouse did fit perfectly well, except the skirt. The skirt is really short, and I don't understand why, but man, this is cute. This is really cute. The next outfit we have here is this two-piece. So I think it's almost the same, but it's not. This material isn't bad. This one feels like you can burn it. Yep. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try these two outfits on. So the next outfit is this two-piece set. It's really exposing over here and it's pretty short. I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this anywhere because the back is really short and it doesn't even really zip throughout. So the next outfit is this two-piece set again. Did I order this? Okay, yeah, I think I remember this. Yeah, so I'm gonna be trying this out. These two-piece sets, I'm just annoyed because they don't fit, and these are like extra large, so I'm wondering why they don't fit. Why? So guys, I ended up not trying this on again because this did not fit, and this is a large. Oh my god. I'm sad. So that's why I didn't wear it. I didn't put it on. But the next outfit is this black dress. Ooh, this split right here. This is how it is. This is really cute. The fabric is soft, which I like. It's not the best quality, but I like it still. This is really cute. So on to the next outfit. Romper. It kind of has like a knitted, like it's knitted at the same time it's not. Damn. Ooh, child. I don't know why I was calling this a romper, but it's actually a dress. This is, ooh, child. Mamma mio. Wanna hell at me? What? But yeah, this is really cute. I really like it. Fabric is nice. I can't complain. This on to the next. The next is this. The next will be this dress. I don't know. I really like this dress on the website, but I don't know about now. It looks like a night dress. I'm probably gonna just use this as a night dress, but yeah, let's go try it on. So the next outfit I have is this outfit. This is the last outfit actually. I don't know about this, but I think I'm probably just gonna use this to sleep or just wear around the house. I'm not feeling it like I was feeling the other outfits. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for staying until the end of this video. I really appreciate it. I'm really grateful for you guys and I can't thank you guys enough for watching and standing by me. Thank you. Let me know what outfit was your best outfit. Is there any outfit that really caught your eyes, and is there anything you're looking to like purchase from this list? This is not a sponsored video. I bought it with my own money and I've been hearing a lot about Shein and I've never purchased anything from Shein, so I decided why not, you know, I might as well just buy something from Shein and show my subscribers. Let's try it on and see. I was like, coming from China, I don't know how the quality was gonna look. I was kind of worried, but at the end of the day, the quality wasn't that bad. I think I'm gonna be buying again from them. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna be buying a lot from them now. I'm gonna try their different things. So I really liked it. Thank you, Shein. And yeah, you guys let me know if there's anything in any of these outfits that caught your eye and that you like. What's your best outfit that I tried on? Let me know in the comment section. Let's chat. Thank you guys. Bye.